Hi, I'm Sabrina.
I'm Caden Peterson.
Hi, I'm Alan Nicoya.
Hi, I'm Mitch.
And I'm Devin. Welcome to Chemical Apparatus. I'll be your host today. Okay, so you're probably wondering what chemical apparatus is. Me too. Okay, so I hear sometimes when you hear the word chemical apparatus, you just want to go to sleep. But that's not the case. So I'm just going to simplify for you. Chemical apparatus is basically all of the tools and the procedures and all the equipment you need to function in a lab setting. So basically in this lab video, we're going to be showing you the proper way and the improper way how to use lab equipment. Alright, let's go over to one of my good friends and he's going to show you how to use a beaker the right way. And hence, I'm going to be showing you how to use it the wrong way.
This is how you should use a beaker.
Now, as you can see here, he has the right water pressure. He always looks at his glass and he doesn't drop his glass. Now, here's another way you can use a beaker.
Guys, you gotta like
This is a beaker, it's used for measuring volume. This is a stirring rod for stirring chemicals.
Well, I'll be. Now, that's a beautiful way how to use a beaker. Now, here's the wrong way. Okay, now you see here, this man doesn't even pay attention on how much water he's putting into his own beaker. Again, he's just letting it overflow, and he doesn't even know how to turn the thing off. Come on! Okay, well, looks like I need to look at the lab rules a little bit, so I'm not really good with beakers. Cool. So now we go over to Sabrina, and she's going to explain how to use a graduated cylinder.
The graduated cylinder is a small, skinny cylinder made of glass that is used to measure smaller amounts of liquid than a beaker. And you have to measure it at the bottom of the meniscus, which is the water line, to get the exact amount of water.
Alright, graduated cylinder is measuring the volume of liquids. Ain't that exciting? Alright, so now she's going to explain what a watch glass is and what it's used for.
This is a watch glass. It is a glass used to cover either a beaker or an evaporating dish.
Okay, short, brief, and to the point. I can live with that, obviously. Looks like chemical apparatus wasn't so hard after all, huh? Oh yeah, I'm wearing this because I have a really bad hair day, so please forgive my ugliness. Alright, anyway, let's go on to the next topic. Test tube time.
Hi, this is a test tube rack. This is used to hold our test tubes. These test tubes you see here are meant to hold certain chemicals we will be using in our scientific projects. This is a test tube brush used to clean up the test tubes when you are done using them, as so. And then, move. Thank you.
Oh man, I remember my first test tube. I broke it. See, I have big hands, and big hands drop a lot of big things, and big things cost money. And I was broke, so I always got in trouble. It was horrible. Anyway, before I doze off, let's go on to the next topic. Electronic balance time. Okay, so what we have here is an electronic balance. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. So I'm going to put this cylinder on there, and it's going to show us a weight of 27.30 grams. Awesome. So I'm going to hit this tare button. It's going to go back to 0. Now I'm going to put some water in it. We're going to have a different weight. Alright then. So, got the water. I'm going to put this on here. Now we get a scale of 42.32 grams. And that's how to use an electronic balance. Okay, let's recap. Well, basically the 42.32 or whatever what the weight was just the water. It wasn't like the actual cylinder. So that's the cool fact about the electronic balance. Okay, now I'm going to show you what an evaporation dish is. Okay, I'm going to do something right for a change. This is an evaporating dish. What the evaporating dish is used for is to evaporate liquids. Another way it's used for is like to evaporate a solvent and a concentration to a solution. So, yeah. Small things can do big things.
Alright, so what laboratory, what is this called?
Okay, so now how do we do this? We do
See how he just pushes me, and then he just leaves me in the dust just to get in trouble? Huh. Friends.
That's too